Hello everyone. In this session, I will be discussing most important current affairs questions which can be expected during various competitive examination. Let us discuss one by one. Let me move on to the first question. Who is the current Union Minister of Power? Option A, Rajkumar Singh. Option B, Piyush Goyal. Option C, Rajnath Singh. And option D, Jitendra Singh. Which would be the right answer? Option A, Rajkumar Singh is the right answer. Let us study few more things related to this question. The first point is India saved rupees 89,122 crore through energy efficiency initiatives by Bureau of Energy Efficiency in the year of 2018-19. This is one of the great achievement. Now, regarding Jitendra Singh, one of the Minister of State for Personal Public Grievances and Pensions. That is a designation and the responsibility of Minister Jitendra Singh. Similarly, who is the Health Minister? Dr. Harshavardhan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Regarding option number C, Rajnath Singh. Rajnath Singh is an Indian politician serving as the Defense Minister of India. So these are the most important points related to question number 1. Now moving on to question number 2. Which of the following institutes develops contactless soap cum water dispensing unit? Option A, CSIR CCMB. Option B, CSIR IHBT. Option C, CSIR CMERI. And option D, CSIR CRRI. Which would be the right answer? Option C, CSIR CMERI is the right answer. Let me know what is the elaboration of CMERI. The elaboration of CMERI is given as Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute. It is located at Durgapur. This company or this institution develops contactless soap cum water dispensing unit. Let us have a brief information about other organization. CSIR CCMB, elaboration Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. It is located at Telangana. Similarly, CSIR IHBT, it is located at Himachal Pradesh. The elaboration of IHBT is nothing but Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology. Similarly, the elaboration of CSIR CRRI is nothing but Central Road Research Institute. That is the elaboration of CRRI. One more thing, what is the elaboration of CSIR? Elaboration of CSIR is nothing but Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. That is the elaboration of CSIR. Moving on to third question, who has been appointed as its new head of retail banking on May 5th, 2020 by Standard Chartered Bank? Option A, PV Bharati. Option B, Kushal Roy. Option C, Sanjay Agarwal. And option D, Ravneet Gill. Which would be the right answer? Option B, Kushal Roy is the right answer for this question. Kushal Roy has been appointed as its new head of retail banking on May 5th, 2020 by Standard Chartered Bank. Moving on to question number 4. Which of the following countries has decided to reopen mosques for public prayers from May 7, 2020? Option A, Iraq. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, Bangladesh. And option D, Iran. Bangladesh is the right answer for this question. Let me move on question number 5. World Athletics Day is observed on which of the date? May 6th, May 8th, May 5th and May 7th. Which would be the right answer? Option D is the right answer, May 7th. May 7th we are celebrating World Athletic Day. Question number 6. World Mother's Day is celebrated on which date? May 7th, May 8th, May 10th and May 12th. Which would be the right answer? Option C, May 10th, Sunday is the right answer for this question. On May 10th, Sunday, World Mother's Day will be celebrated. Question number 7. Which one of the following state governments launches website for ordering liquor? Option A, Bihar. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Assam. And option D, West Bengal. West Bengal is the right answer for this question. Moving on to question number 8. The Indian Council of Agriculture Research ICAR, Department of Agriculture Research and Education DARE, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare released advisories to the fishery sector in how many languages? Actually, there are 12 languages authorized by this organization. Indian Council for Agriculture Research Institute situated in New Delhi. This is the location of ICAR. Let me move on question number 9. Who is current Ayush Minister? Option A, Shripad Yesho Naik. Option B, Narendra Singh Tomar. Option C, Mahendra Nath Pandey. And option D, Dharmendra Pradhan. Which would be the right answer? Option A, Shripad Yesho Naik is current Ayush Minister. So we can go for option A. So let me discuss about other ministers and their designation. Narendra Singh Tomar is the Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare and Minister of Rural Development in second Modi ministry. So that is one of the most important point. Then moving on to option C, Mahendra Nath Pandey. So let us discuss more on Mahendra Nath Pandey. Mahendra Nath Pandey is an Indian politician who is the current Minister for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship of India and member of Lok Sabha for Chandoli since 2014. Now moving on to option D. Regarding option D, Dharmendra Devendra Pradhan is BJP leader and currently Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Steel in the second Modi ministry. He was previously also the Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship in first Modi ministry. These are the noticeable points related to question number 9. Let me move on question number 10. Tamil Nadu government to convert late CM J. Jayalalitha's residence in Chennai into a memorial. What is the name of residence? Option A, Velankanti Theni. Option B, Parthasarathi. Option C, Veda Nilayam. And option D, Tiruvannamalai. Which would be the right answer among this? Veda Nilayam. That is the right answer. That means Tamil Nadu government to convert late CM J. Jayalalitha's residence in Chennai into memorial. The residence, actually the memorial place is known as Veda Nilayam. You can go for option number C. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with your friends. If you need similar kind of video, kindly subscribe this channel. Regarding technical studies, you can refer one of my channel, that is Simplified Triple Studies. You will be getting lot of multiple choice questions and many of the electrical and electronic subjects. Thank you for your continuous support.